What's up guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, and in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how easy it is to change the headlights on your riding lawnmower. Now this is a very simple process. We're going to start here by raising up the hood to get us access to our headlights underneath. Now, once you get your hood up and you're looking down here at your headlights, these are going to be fairly easy to change. We're just going to change them by hand. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that if this is an older mower, these plastic pieces may be very brittle. For instance, here on this mower, we've had a piece right here pop off. So another good thing to do whenever you're changing these light bulbs is we may look at getting these new sockets here that go into, that the light bulb actually goes into. But to take these out, it's going to be a simple twist to free that up. Then we're going to pull out our old bulb. Just like that, socket and bulb. We're going to pull the old bulb out of the socket. Now, here's another time where things could get a little tricky, might get a little hard to disconnect. So if that is the case, we can take off our two wiring clips here. And these are not going to matter whenever we go back on which one's top and bottom, so we don't have to worry about marking those. But then we're going to have our socket and our light bulb that looks like this. Now, once we have our light bulb and socket out, now we'll notice here that there is a little notch on these light bulbs that's going to help hold them into the socket. So that's a little hard to see if we're underneath the hood. So once you take that out, we're going to twist back on the light bulb. That is going to release our old light bulb here. Then when we go back in with the new one, we see that we have this little raised piece here. And if we look under on our socket, we've got two notches here along with two sort of nipples here on the light bulb. We want to simply line those up and then twist our light bulb back into place to where now it is sitting in our notch. Now, once we have that done, we are ready to go back in with our socket. But one thing I want to point out, whenever we're looking at the configuration of your socket, you're going to have a tip here and a tip here, and these are going to be what locks that socket into the actual headlight at the front. So whenever we are looking at going back in, we'll notice that on the headlight housing there, we have two notches also that is going to take those wings. So whenever we are going back in, we want to make sure and line those up with those wings and then turn it to lock it into place. So I am going to put our electrical connectors back on, being careful if we have that brittle plastic not to break that off. All right, and once we get those in, we're going to go in with our socket into our housing and then just simply turn this back to lock it into place. And then just like that, we are locked back into place and we've got that bulb changed out. Now, this is a very, very simple job. It may be one that if you are not one that ever uses your mower at night or whenever the light's getting dim, this may not ever affect you, but if you need to change out these light bulbs, it's very simple, no tools required. And also, if you're needing these parts, you can get these light bulbs and such from us at 247parts.com. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, we just ask that you would hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, if you're needing any John Deere parts along with your light bulbs, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.